Hi guys, in this video I will be recreating a hairstyle that I saw on my Instagram page. I'll put the picture on the screen and let's get on into the video. So I am taking off my microfiber towel as you are seeing here, and my hair is freshly washed. It has in leave-in conditioner and it is in 4 sections as I usually wash my hair like that. So I am quickly unraveling my hair so that I can get straight on into the style. So I am parting my hair, and as you will see, I have difficulty parting that section of hair because I just wanted the entire part to be straight and crisp as possible without using gel to make the area crisp. So you will see me struggle with that, and I will be back when the other part of my hair is ready to be styled. As you're seeing, I didn't edit this part out because this is supposed to be as transparent as possible. So here you go, the transparency post. And might I add, not that all my videos aren't genuine, but really and truly in this video you can see the struggle that I have with parting my hair. But anyway, I got the hair parted. As you're seeing, I'm showing you the part now. My hair is nice and clean, and now I am going to separate my hair into 2 because I'll be doing 2 flat twists. So I'm putting away the section with a scrunchie just to make the other section easier to work with. Alrighty, so I'm going to be taking my gel. This is a botanical gel that I'm using, and the thing that I like about this gel is that although it goes on watery, when it dries it gives a really nice hold. You don't need that much, but if you want a strong hold, I suggest you put a decent bit. I'm talking about a medium-sized amount, so not too heavy-handed and not too light with the product. So as you're seeing, I'm just lining the perimeters with the gel so that those areas can be slick when I do the flat twist. So I'm just gently combing out the area with my wide tooth comb just to make sure that there are fewer to no tangles, just so that I could have a better working space. And I'm just applying more gel, and now I am going to flat twist. This part of my hair was easier to flat twist, so I was able to get through the section in no time. I enjoyed this specific part, although the edges are thin. I naturally have thin hair, so my edges are bound to be thin. Just giving a disclaimer in case you wonder why my edges are so thin, my hair is just naturally thin. So I am showing you how it's looking like so far, and as you're seeing, the flat twist is going well. So I am just continuing that for the rest of my hair, and I'll be back when it is time for the other section. And one tip I would like to give, as always, take your time with your hair. Your hair is not fighting you. Your hair is not going anywhere. If you have somewhere urgently to go, don't do an elaborate style. Just do something that you are very used to doing and just go. But if you're experimenting, just take the time and just do your hair. Your hair is not fighting you. Just do your hair. So I am now at the end, and I'm just twisting that area just so that it doesn't get frizzy and doesn't get in the way of the other section that I am doing. Like I said, this is the section of hair that I just completed, and now it's time to move on to the other side. Y'all, I kid you not, I redid that flat twist about 3 or 4 times because the grip was just not as great as the first section, and I eventually got it with a bit of patience. But I had a bit of trouble just doing that flat twist because I wanted it to look identical to, well, almost identical to the first flat twist. So as you're seeing, I'm just speeding through that section since this is my 3rd or 4th time doing it. Just make sure that everything was good. And now I'm just putting everything in a scrunchie so that I can focus on the back part. Alright, y'all, so like I said, this is how the flat twists are looking, and I'm just going in with a bit of gel just to flatten some areas on the top of my hair. It won't look flat right now, but I guarantee you when I put my scarf on, it laid flat that same evening. Yes, it did. Yes, it definitely did. Alright, so I am focusing on the back part now, and instead of using the gel for the finger coils, I am going to be using a mousse. Like I said, I'm going to be using a mousse for the back part, and in the previous clip you would have seen me just show how the 2 flat twists looked, and I'm just spritzing the area with water, especially since I live in a hot climate. You need to rehydrate your hair, so that's what I did. And I'm just separating my hair into small sections because I don't want the finger coils to be big or extremely small. So I am tucking the other parts away so that I can focus on that one section, and I'm going to show you how I quickly do my finger coils. There are other tutorials on my channel, but I'm just showing you here quickly. So I'm spraying the area with water again, just like I did in the previous clip, and I will be taking 1 pump of mousse. This was my first time using the mousse from the Boucleme brand, and honestly it I really didn't like it on my hair the first time around because it had a very sticky feeling when I was finished, but here is what the finger coil is looking like, nice and coiled, and that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. Alrighty, so I'm going to put a bit of mousse just on top of the section just to lay it flatter, and like I said, the scarf did a really good job at flattening the area because my hair was really sleek that same night, so no need to worry about that. And here are the finished results. Let me know how you like them in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.